Welcome! Today we fly over snow-capped mountains and the living architecture of ice. A soothing journey made for calm focus, relaxation and awe. No rush, just altitude, silence and scale. These frozen places store water and stories. Scientists read ice like pages, layer by layer. Let's begin with the highest horizons. The Himalayas, where mountains rise into the jet stream. Glaciers move slowly like frozen rivers. Even the wind looks soft from above. Light turns snow into gold, then fades to blue. These glaciers are often called water towers, feeding rivers far below. Meltwater threads the valley, bright and cold. From above, the world becomes pattern, peaceful, precise. Now, the Alps, classic glacial landscapes carved into Europe. Here lies Europe's largest glacier in the Alps, an icon of ice and time. Crevasses, the handwriting of stress and movement. A reminder, ice shapes the land even after it retreats. Iceland, home to Europe's largest glacier, Vatnajökull. Ice floats like sculpture, quiet, temporary. Weather changes fast here, so the light feels alive. Patagonia, where icefields meet wild granite. glacial lakes hold colours you can't invent. A landscape built by cold, now changing year by year. Alaska, big mountains, big ice, an endless space. Meltwater sketches blue lines across white ice. The scale resets your thoughts in the best way. In Norway, melting ice has revealed artifacts sealed for centuries. Even skis over 1,300 years old emerged from the ice. A reminder, ice preserves until it doesn't. Now the quietest continent, ice stretching beyond the horizon. Ice cores are time capsules, trapping ancient air and climate clues. Low-angle light, emphasizing texture, calm, lateral move. Science, exploration, beauty. Ice holds all three. Across continents, glaciers shape valleys, feed rivers and inspire us. Much of Earth's fresh water is stored in snow and ice. If this calms you, stay a little longer. This was a short journey through Earth's frozen beauty. If you want the full experience, Continue with the long tour. Tap the 71-minute Everest from above 4K scenic relaxation journey next.